Welcome to your introduction to the SkyRail, a unique sliding projector mount from AllSportSystems. Along with our entire team, I'm thrilled to present the SkyRail to you today. This versatile product makes it possible for you to easily mount your projector at the perfect distance from your screen, while also making secure connections to your ceiling studs. You no longer need to worry about ruining your ceiling due to misdrilling the hole locations. Or worse, risking damage to your projector because you couldn't properly anchor it to your studs. As you will see, SkyRail solves these and other problems easily. The SkyRail sliding projector mount offers incredible flexibility with multiple track length and component strength options. You can choose the ideal track length for your space without worrying about drilling the perfect holes in your ceiling. With SkyRail, your ceiling holes just need to be close, since you can adjust everything else as you put the unit into place. That's right. You can adjust the final projector position in all three dimensions, X, Y, and Z, even after it is attached to your ceiling, something no other mount can do. The SkyRail is available in two strength options: our standard black components for projectors up to 25 pounds, shown here with a lightweight projector mount and its pre-cut sliding plate, or heavy-duty white components for projectors weighing as much as 50 pounds. You also have the option of attaching any other mount of your choosing to an uncut 1/2 inch plate, shown here in the heavy-duty white variation. As you can see, when you order a SkyRail, you get the highest compatibility with the widest range of projectors. When you choose our universal projector mount, you will enjoy a range of height adjustments from just a few inches below, up to 24 inches below your ceiling. Couple this height range with the SkyRail's sliding ability, and you have the easiest way to get your projector perfectly aligned with your screen. For those with vaulted or slanted ceilings, the SkyRail includes set screws on each of the 4 sliding brackets. The set screws allow you to lock your projector in place securely, ensuring maximum stability and safety even in the most challenging environments. Although it's not animated in this video, you still get the full range of extension and tilt angles to align your projector with your screen perfectly. The SkyRail sliding projector mount is compatible with any golf simulator enclosure, projector, or hitting screen, and it also works great in home theaters, conference rooms, and media centers. With SkyRail's customizable track lengths, widths, and component strengths, you can order your mount tailored to fit your specific needs. It's been my pleasure to present this overview of the SkyRail sliding projector mount. If you still have questions about this amazing product, please reach out to us via phone, chat, or email. We are confident that SkyRail is the most flexible and capable projector mount on the market, and that it will make your projector installation significantly easier. Why not order yours today? And let's get that projector mounted.